I'm so shocked.
I'm shocked.
She said we'll be taking turns. She said we'll be taking turns.
And I've been noticing
I know
it.
a lot of things
all this thing
about
happened. All this thing happened
last night now.
And I've been noticing it.
In the middle of the night, yes, no. So I know a lot. He was like, I know a lot of things about
And you know
men.
she means it.
So many of these girls doesn't even know. I know how to get a man. I know how to do this for me.
No,
I can always
small
get
girl.
him.
You're literally a small girl. Oh. You're 21. You're a small girl. Don't get it twisted. You think you do, but you
So
don't.
when I know when to see Sam, I think maybe she was hurt because Sam is like, you're done and all that. He said he liked her fine.
He
But
told me, Kwa.
at that time, she liked someone else. That it was everybody that shipped them. He was not ready for it.
He said she was the one that came on to him.
Yes, I was so angry. I'm like, yeah, so what's the, you're a girl.
And she thinks she knows how to get men, but she doesn't. She'll do it the
She
stupid
felt
way.
bad when Boma rejected her.
I know, is it just me, or am I just...
Hey. So when the man now heard of us, again,
because
she was
even
telling me
during the
that
games,
they
even during the games, she picked Boma for something. Boma did sit up or something. Boma did not want to. She picked Boma to kiss Boma.
After you know,
That's why she now kissed Emmanuel, now kissed, who else did she kiss? And it was the way she kissed them, James then.